welcome back to another video. Today, as it's such a lovely day, I've made myself a nice cup of tea. I'm going to go down to the workshop and garage and do some work on the Nissan. So today, all I'm going to do really is just give the car a bit of a wash and a wipe and a clean. Just do a bit of a detail. It's got a little bit of dirt on it, a little bit of dust and contaminants. Just basically from it's been sat in the garage for so long and it's not been driven. So I want to take some photos of it for the insurance, and they want to see some photos for the actual valuation. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up, vac all inside, make it look pretty, and I'm going to get outside and take some really nice photos. So basically the car's not too dirty, actually it's just a little bit dusty and a little bit of road grime and basically shed dust on it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the entire car with some old school detailer and a clay pad just to remove any contaminants, as you can hear there, and then it's nice and smooth. I did do a video on how to clay your car. I'll put a link somewhere here or something like that so you can go back and watch that, just to show you how I actually clay my vehicles. And after I've done this, I'll give it a nice coat of wax and polish just to protect the paint a little bit, bring back some of the lustre. And then I'm going to do all the plastics. I'm going to vac the inside, make sure that's all nice and clean, tidy the boot, because that's a bit of a mess because I've got the battery on charge because the battery's gone flat, which is not surprising, it's not been driven for a while. And then I'm going to get outside, dress the tyres, take some nice photos. Outside, as you can see, still looking quite nice. A few little areas still need to pay attention to, a bit of dust and dirt on them. Definitely got to be inside, it's quite grubby, well, grubby-ish. And then I'm going to black the tyres, and then we'll hopefully get some nice photos. Okay, so I'm just doing the last bit of details now with the T-Move tyre coating wax. Did a review on this a couple of videos ago, you might find it interesting. Go back and watch it. So what I'm going to do now is take a few photos. So I hope you enjoyed this short little cinematic style video. If you have, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Excuse me.
Nice.
I did a review on this a couple of videos ago. If you're interested in